Hey guys, welcome to this friendly video of Text Code, and in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how can you check your TikTok watch history from your devices. It works on Android and iOS both. So let's start it. Open TikTok and move towards your profile from the button on the right, and you'll be redirected to the profile page. Hit on the three lines on top right, then click on setting and privacy options. Once you've done that, you need to go a little down to activity center and hit that. After that, you will be directed to the activity center page where you will see the screen time of your TikTok, and you will see a button to click on watch history. Once you click it, you can see your history. You can also filter it by date. I'll just choose a month or last month. You can also select date range, and this is pretty much it. This is how you can watch your TikTok history in your Android and iOS devices. So thank you for watching this video. See you guys in the next one. Till then, have a great day and a great time.